Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to answer a very important question. Does TikTok work with VPN? So this is what we are going to discover in this video. In order to do so, I'll just simply go to my Play Store and search for any VPNs, let's say NordVPN or Panda VPN, it doesn't really matter, but you need to know that some VPNs require a subscription like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, and it will actually provide you with better experience, but this is absolutely for money. Now here in my case, I have this one right here installed, Super Unlimited VPN by proxy, and also the Free Planet VPN. And now I will actually try both of them. I'll just have to update them. I'll try both of them with different countries to see whether it's working with TikTok or not. So now here in my case, I'll simply go and update the applications to make everything right. And the recording may be turned off out of my hand because I'm using the VPN, so keep that in mind. Now you need to make sure that you do not have TikTok running in the background before you do these steps, and after that you should go and open any VPN application that you have and try to use any country other than USA, India, or any other countries that has TikTok banned inside it. So now I will choose Germany, then click on connect, and now here it's connecting me. Now I'm connected. Now I can go and open TikTok application, and here I have it. It's actually working properly with no issues. Now let's try the other VPN, which is this one right here, VPN Super Limited by proxy. Just let me turn off the first VPN first and turn off all the things in the background. Now I'm gonna open the other VPN application. So I'm gonna click on accept and continue. So here I will choose any location. Let's choose Italy, for example, then click on connect. It will take a couple of seconds. Now I'm connected. Now I can go and open TikTok, and here you have it. It's also working properly, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.